I'm Rabika Ramesh.
And I am Ramesh Iyer.
I actually fractured my leg once, and then we found it very difficult to move up and down, and that's when we thought that lift is just not for the old age people, but then it's for us when we need it. And also we travel a lot, so carrying and lugging the suitcases from one floor to the other was a problem when we were in a duplex. So when we said that we're going to book a villa, then we said that yes, we need a lift. And I really had to convince Ramesh, because he was saying that, why do you need a lift? You walk up and down. But then he realized how difficult it is, even for fit people.
And now
you need
feel how comfortable and convenient it is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good.
The moment we made the first call, I think that was what made the difference. The people from Elite who connected with us, an amazing response we had. Even during the pandemic time, we had the Elite team come to our house and then sit and explain to us, give us the comfort that this is something that you can do it very easily and we are there with you. So we just gave the floor plan to them and they said, we'll work out everything and then we are there with you. And that's how our engagement started.
Yeah.
And I think the best thing about this, which I saw was, there was a very seamless transition from the sales to the customer care team and then to the installation team and finally the sign-off team. So it was so seamless, and we always tend as, once we buy a product, we are very used to the sales people in front who actually sold the product or who rather took the check from us. But then they were always there just a call away. And the beauty is, when we had some clarifications at site, we could just reach out across the hierarchy of Elite team. Everyone was there, just a phone call away. And I still remember what you need is not just an organization, but people make a difference. So lot of comfort. I think it's the people who make the difference for any organization.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the life before lift, we didn't know actually, we didn't know how comfortable it was in a home lift. But now we really experience it.
And I think the main thing whenever I use the lift one is, if you see the house now, it gave us the courage not to have a room in the ground floor. So if you see this entire place, I could actually remove a ground floor bedroom. So there's no bedroom here because we are convenient that there are rooms upstairs. So, even if elderly people come in, they can use the lift and go. So the first benefit is I could do the plan without a bedroom mandate in the ground floor. The second thing which I feel is I have to always be dependent on a Ramesh, or I need to lug the suitcase whenever we are traveling. Today it's just a push into the lift and a push out, and so it's so great.
Most comfortable.
Yeah, and again we have a very, very nice second floor. We did a lot of work around there. It would have been difficult to go every time from the ground floor to the second floor. Now everyone uses the ground to the second floor very well because we have a gazebo. We've done a lot of stuff there.
And very often.
They are used very often. And of course, when you have any get-togethers, you forget a ladle, you forget a glass. It's just a press away. So I think it's making it very comfortable.
Definitely it's comfortable.
Initially, I used to keep telling that, especially I have my granddaughter, so I used to tell her, if you're getting into the lift, just tell me you're getting into the lift. But now we are about 5 months down. I just don't tell her because it's been very, very smooth, very safe, very comfortable. We have just forgotten that you need to be cautious when you get into the lift. So I think it's a very, very comfortable product for us.
Yes.
I would rather say comfort. That's what comes into my mind when I think of Elite elevators.